Welcome to Planet Newsroom, your trusted channel for global politics, economy, and breaking news in a bold comic style. Today's headline: China issues a strong warning to the United States, saying it will take retaliatory action if President Donald Trump goes ahead with his plan to impose a 100% tariff on Chinese imports. Beijing's warning came on Sunday, marking its first official response to Trump's latest threat, a move that has already sent shockwaves through financial markets. China's Ministry of Commerce declared that using the threat of high tariffs is not the right way to engage with China, adding that the country will firmly take appropriate measures to safeguard its legitimate rights and interests. Trump's threat followed China's recent export restrictions on rare earth minerals, critical materials used in electronics, semiconductors, and military technology. The White House described China's move as highly hostile, accusing Beijing of weaponizing global supply chains, but China insists these new controls are legitimate measures, pointing out that the US has long imposed similar export restrictions on semiconductors and other technologies against China. Officials in Beijing accused Washington of double standards, saying the US continues to expand its export control list, now covering over 3,000 items, compared to just 900 in China's. The dispute has reignited fears of a renewed trade war between the world's two largest economies. Investors are worried that both sides could again spiral into tit-for-tat tariffs, similar to the 2018 to 2019 period, when import duties skyrocketed above 100%. Meanwhile, both Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping are expected to meet in South Korea in 2 weeks. However, tensions over rare earths and ongoing export controls are threatening to derail that summit even before it begins. As the rhetoric intensifies, China has urged Washington to immediately correct its mistaken approach and preserve what it called the hard-earned progress from months of trade negotiations. Yet, with both sides unwilling to back down, global markets are bracing for more volatility, and companies that depend on high-tech components are preparing for another economic storm. The big question now: will the Trump administration pull back from its tariff threat, or will this confrontation push the US and China into a new phase of economic warfare? Stay tuned with Planet Newsroom, where global headlines come to life in a bold new way.